बरतानवी हाई कमिश्नर ने कहा कि इस्लामाबाद टॉक्स में वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ की काविशों को सराहा गया है। फील्ड मार्शल की तारीफ की गई। अमेरिका ईरान सीज़फायर करवाने पर शुक्रिया अदा किया गया। बरतानवी हाई कमिश्नर जैन मैरियट की नुमाइंदा बोल न्यूज़ मोहम्मद आदिल से खुसूसी बातचीत हुई है। पाकिस्तान की अमन के लिए काविशें काबिल तहसीन करार दी गई। बरतानिया इनको बहुत कदर की निगाह से देखता है। क्या कुछ कहा गया, आपको सुनवाते हैं।
We have with us Her Excellency British High Commissioner J.N. Marriott with us. We just hold Islamabad talks in Pakistan. Pakistan played as a mediator between Iran and US. How do you feel the act of Pakistan being mediating and finally managing to stop the war and extending the ceasefire?
I think Pakistan and its leaders have done an absolutely fantastic job. We were all wondering what could bring about a ceasefire, what could bring about the key parties to the table. Pakistan has used its relationships with a whole range of countries to be able to bring everyone to the table. They're still talking behind the scenes, and I'm hopeful and optimistic for the future, especially with Pakistan's leadership.
Pakistani PM held a call with British Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer as well. So how is the Britain's stance, especially considering the Pakistan's act of mediating?
So the UK is very, very appreciative of Pakistan's stance. I know that our Chief of the General Staff has been in touch with your Field Marshal, our Prime Minister to your Prime Minister, our Foreign Secretary and DPM to your DPM, expressing messages of those support and that gratitude, and supporting Pakistan in the future, because we're not there yet. There are still challenges. The Straits of Hormuz are still closed. We need those goods flowing again to help tackle the economic costs and the economic impact globally, not just in Pakistan. So, bahut shukriya, Pakistan.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।